So yes, I was telling that after writing B7, I don't want earlier B8. So I have written now B7. I can click on that. I can write that and then I will press the enter key. You can see it is getting highlighted. B6 and B7 only is getting highlighted. It means here also the answer is coming from these B6 and B7 only. So when you press enter key, you will get the other answer. Fine. So it is 167. Clear? So this means that you can write the very easily the function from this AutoSum button. You can do the calculations from the AutoSum button. Then note as given, Excel also provides special inbuilt functions such as sum, average, count, etc. Instead of typing such a long formula, now you can see this is a formula. So if you don't want to write long formulas, because if so many entries are there, you don't want to write these all the addresses, then the sum function can be used to calculate the total expenses. So for example, this thing you can write, because here what you have to write in the range, that is, this is range actually. So B3 is the starting cell address and G3 is the last cell address. So only these two you have to write. No need to write all the cell addresses as a formula. So if you want to use the function, then you can use this type of range and then press the enter key. So similarly, other functions are also there like average, count, max, min, and so on. Clear? So sum is the simple one. If you want to write here sum function, like suppose I'll show you 2, 3 numbers. So in this way I can use a simple formula also. Formula means I have to click on one by one a cell address, then I have to use plus sign from the keyboard, then the second cell you have to select, again plus sign you have to write like this. Every time you have to write the cell address. So this is a little long method, you can say. If you can use this method also, that is also fine. You have to put like this, and when the cell address will be finished, you have to press the enter key. Clear? You have to press the enter key. The moment you press the enter key, you will have the answer, that is 8198. This is the answer from this formula. You can see again the formula from the formula bar. If you don't want, they have written this only. If you don't want to write all these cell addresses, what else you can do is delete this, and what you want to write is you have to write is equal to, simple you can write from keyboard SUM, like this formula as a function, you can say. Start the bracket, then click on this cell, first cell, go on this right side and start dragging till this cell address. Can you see? F2 to F6, F2, F6. Clear? So these are your cell addresses. And close the bracket. Clear? So equal to sum as a function, then start the range from the brackets. Within that you have to just write the starting cell address and the ending cell address with colon, and then close the bracket and press the enter. See, same answer is coming with that also. So this is a formula and the function which they have given.